Hello everyone, welcome to provide the solution given this algebra problem, which is 3 to power x plus x, this is equal to 30. So what is the value of x? Solution. Now, we have 3 to power x plus x, this is equal to 30, okay? So the first thing to do here, let's take x on the right hand side, so that you'll have 3 to power x, this is equal to 30, subtract x. Okay, so we can write this as 30 subtract x, this is equal to 3 to power x. So we divide both signs by 3 to power x, okay, by 3 to power x, so that now we'll have 30 subtract x divided by 3 to power x, this is equal to 1. Now you find that if you have 1 over a to power n, this can be expressed as a to power negative n. Now let's apply this property here, so that now we'll have 30 subtract x multiplied by 3 to power negative x, this is equal to 1. Now as you can see here, we have that the exponent here we have negative x, and the coefficient is 30 subtract x. So let's make the coefficient the same as the exponent. So we multiply both signs by 3 raised to power 30, and this is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 to power 30. Okay, now from what we have here, you find that this is 30 subtract x multiplied by 3, okay, this is to power 30 subtract x, this is equal to 3 to power 30. Okay, now you can see that the coefficient and the exponent are the same. Now if you're given that e to the power of a, given a property that e to the power of natural logarithm a, this is the same thing as a. Now we can express 3 as e to the power of natural log 3, this is basically equal to 3. Now applying this property, you find that you'll have 30 subtract x multiplied by e to the power of natural log 3 multiplied by 30 subtract x, this is equal to 3 to the power of 30. Okay, now from here you find that if you have the rampant W function of e to the power of a, okay, multiplied by a, okay, this is the same thing as a, okay, or rather W function of a multiplied by e to the power of a, this is the same thing as a. Okay, so we have 30 subtract x multiplied by e to the power of natural log 3 multiplied by 30 subtract x, this is equal to 3 to the power of 30. Okay, so applying this property, you find that we multiply both signs by natural log of 3. Okay, by natural log of 3, so that now we have natural log of 3, that is minus x, e to the power of ln3, that is subtract x, this is equal to 3 to the power of 30 multiplied by ln of 3, natural log of 3. Now from what we have here, you find that applying the rampant W function, if you have a multiplied by e to the power of a, this is equal to a. So in this case, this is a, and also this part, this is a. So now applying this property, we will have natural log of 3, okay, we have 30 subtract x, this is equal to 3 to the power of 30, okay, you can have rampant W function of 3 to the power of 30 multiplied by natural log of 3. Okay, Now from what we have here, we can express 3 to the power of 30 as basically 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 27. Okay, so let's substitute this. We have that subtract x natural log of 3. This is equal to, that is the rampant w function of 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by the natural log of 3. Okay, multiplied by 3 to the power of 27. Okay, now from what we have here, we can express 3 as e to the power of natural log 3. This is the same thing as 3. So let's substitute this. So we'll have that e subtract x natural log of 3. This is equal to the w function of 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by natural log of 3 multiplied by, this is e to the power of natural log of 3 multiplied by 27. Now, as you can see here, 3 to the power of 3, this is the same thing as 27. Let's substitute this. So you'll have that e subtract x natural log of 3. This is equal to the w function of 3 to the power of 3, which is 27, natural log of 3 multiplied by the e to the power of natural log of 27. So let's proceed. Have that subtract x natural log of 3. This is equal to the w function of 27 natural log of 3 times e to the power of natural log of 27. So now, as you can see here, we have that is subtract x multiplying by the ln of 3. Now, applying the property that's the w function of a multiplied by the exponent to power a, this is equal to a. Okay, so this part again, this is a and this is a. So basically we'll have that minus x natural log of 3. This is equal to 27 natural log of 3. Okay, so this is 30 subtract x natural log of 3. This is equal to 27 natural log of 3. Now we simplify here natural log of 3. So that's 30 subtract x. This is equal to 27. Now this means that we take 30 on the right hand side. We'll have negative x. This is 27 subtract 30. And then negative x. This is equal to negative 3. Divide both sides by negative so that x is equal to 3. So this is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of x. So let's verify quickly if this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end at 3 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 30. Substituting the value of x, we'll have 3 to the power 3 plus 3. This is equal to 30. So 3 to the power 3, this is 27, plus 3, this is equal to 30. And that means that 27 plus 3, this is 30. And that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So, and that affirms that the value of x, which is 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.